is Ana Silvia, and I will explain you our project named Chemical, Physical and Biological Risks in the Marmalade Industry. Marmalade making is very similar to jam making, but the rind needs much longer cooking, so more water is required. The fruit is simmered until the rind is soft and the volume of liquid has reduced by about half. The ingredients are fruit, sugar, pectin, citric acid, and preservatives. An ideal system of production is one in which you can maintain a continuous flow of raw materials to achieve the final product. This continuity must also be true to space-time, that is to say, the different stages of production should be as closely linked as possible. The manufacturing process of the marmalade consists in 3 phases. In phase 1 is done making marmalade from the mixing itself until the marmalade is ready to be packaged. In phase 2, containers are handled and carried out parallel with the development of the marmalade. Finally, phases 1 and 2 coverage in phase 3, which is made from packaging of the product until the issue of the marmalade. Risk in this industry can exist as a result of chemical, biological, or physical pollutant. Pollutant is considered any material, substances, energy, living organisms, or their derivatives to be incorporated into a component of the environment, alter their characteristics, and hamper the enjoyment of the nature of the product, damaging property or harming the health of the worker or consumer. The pollution produced by a human includes the emission of industrial gases in an industrial waste disposal. According to the specific characteristics of the pollutants, they may be classified in physical contaminants, chemical contaminants, biological contaminants, and psychological contaminants. Chemical contaminants are made up of inorganic or organic inert material, natural or synthetic. That is, chemical pollutants are designated for all substances that alter the chemical makeup of the components of the medium. The principal types of chemical contaminants are solid, liquids, and gases.
Hi, my name is Ana Gabriela Coyampan, and my ID is 2001-52395. Well, I will tell you about biological pollutants. I can say that the biological contaminants are considered microorganisms that can degrade the quality of the food, in this case the jam. These microorganisms are made with live agents that pollute all the environment in which it develops the manufacturing process. It can be a rise to infections and parasite diseases such as microbes, bacteria, virus, among others. The transmission of biological pollutants are by 3 routes. One route is inhalation through mouth, nose, and lungs. The second route is dermal because it's by skin. Then the third route is gastrointestinal through mouth and digestive tract. The physical contaminants are those that, when added to the environment, if present, affect the quality of the components of the jam. It is characterized by, by energy between the person and the environment in one dimension. Temperature. When the body experiments high temperature, it acts to maintain the normal temperature, increasing the circulation of blood. To the heat to surface of the skin, and it causes the loss of the radiation. This is caused by low temperature in the cooling rooms. When a human body experiments or drops its temperature, the body acts to reduce the flow of urine, to, to lower the loss of temperature, and produce vasoconstriction in the skin to reduce the area of radiation. Another physical coolant is the noise, because when the noise acts in a human body, it can cause an effect in the psyche of the individual. When the noise depends to the intensity and time, it can produce and some trauma irreversible in the ear of the human. In all process to manufacturing food, we can obtain chemical gases, but in this case of manufacturing jams, we obtain only chemical gases, but are inorganic. This substance incorporates in the natural cycle of the virus, so it doesn't cause any damage in the intrinsic integrity of the workers or consumers.